can see your shadow fading in the silence of the night. Every step keeps taking me further from your light. Every word we left unspoken still is echoing inside. I keep searching through the darkness, but you're nowhere to find. If tomorrow